It works on simple principle of PTM. It's Welcome back dear heads. Today we will learn how your car care about your car more than you care about your car. Roll the intro. Automotive electronics are electronics used in your automobiles. Simple. Actually, in past, car used mechanical system instead of electronical ones. But nowadays, we use electronical systems in our cars. There are two main motives of this. First, it helps your pocket by reducing the maintenance of your vehicles. And number two, it is like strict diet plan for your vehicle. It reduces their weight. All of this is done by wire technology. X by wire means getting a job done using a wire. We will talk about that later. As we all agree that cars are living beings made up of metal whom you can drive. And don't you dare to say it's just a machine that takes you from place A to place B. So, electronics is inspired from us, humans. It also has nose, mouth, eyes, ears and skin. We call them sensors. Cars also have brain.
The main reason why cars can drive themselves better than
We call them microcontrollers. Cars also have muscles. We call them actuators. So, you may ask how this three works. It works on simple principle of PTM. It's nothing complicated, it's just parents teachers meeting. Your Khadus teacher are your sensors, your mark sheet is your data, your parents are your microcontrollers, their chappal is your signal, and you are actuator. You have to study, actuators have to do their work.
Sensors collect the data and send it to the microcontrollers. Then the microcontrollers send signal to the actuators.
There are two main microcontrollers in cars. First, engine and second is body. Let's talk about the engine first. The vroom vroom is controlled by ECU or ECM. They are just engine control unit and engine control module. Both are the same things but different names. So, your teachers are camshaft position sensors. Pretty self-explanatory, right? Second is crankshaft position sensor. And third is throttle position sensor. Are you kidding me? Fourth is manifold absolute pressure sensor. It determines the pressure of the cylinders in the engines. Fifth is manifold temperature sensors. It is used to determine the density of air in air-fuel mixture. Sixth comes O2 sensor. It determines O2 in the engine and the exhaust. And last it comes NOx sensor. It determines the vibration of your engine and it reduces it and it helps you provide more power with your engine. Your parents are ECU or ECM as we talked. You are fuel injectors, valves and spark plug. Second comes the body. It is controlled by BCS, Body Control System. It's like your own hair inspector. It helps you not to get screwed up even if you try to. And yes, he also gives you massage. BCS takes care about 7 items. First, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake distribution system, electronic stability control, traction control, and on the comforting side, it takes care about instrument cluster, infotainment system and AC system. Let's talk about cars which are only meant to take you from place A to place B. Yes, you guessed it right, EVs. So, first is motor control unit. It helps you achieve 150 on the roads which you are not supposed to. And second is battery control system. It helps you maintain the speed you are on. Now, let's talk about by-wire technology. In simple words, buyer is doing the job of a postman, but with his own S1000RR. So there are many things which are done by wire, like steering by wire, brake by wire, accelerate by wire, etc, etc, etc. So first is steering by wire. In past we used to attach steering shaft from steering wheel to the drive shaft. Nowadays we attach a motor to the steering wheel and one to the drive shaft. So when we turn the steering, the motor on the steering wheel takes note and pass it to the motor on the drive shaft. Then the drive shaft turns and make the vehicle go in the direction we turn the steering wheel. Second is braking by wire. In past we used to attach wires from brakes to the calipers directly, but nowadays we use wire technology in that. And same goes with the throttle. Now you know how your car knows more about your car than you know about your car. And yes, show some support and stay tuned if you want to know how your car will talk to your crushed car in future.